Hey, how you doing, everybody? Hey, I am here in our storage facility. This is the place where we store stuff like Christmas ornaments and decorations and then luggage we're not using all the time. And it reminded me of the mess that some people get into if they try to build their membership site on their own. They get stuck in a maze like this one, wondering, how do I get through this? Which door is the one that opens? How do I get the right lock? It ends up being just craziness because there's so many details. And if you've never done this before, there's no instructions, there's no manuals. Somewhere around here, there's a key. There it is. So if you go over here and you know to look and you know the number of your unit right here, then you can come up and figure out where it might be, how do you get to it, which door to open next, etc., etc. But if you're trying to build your membership site, your online course on your own, if you're trying to figure out which learning platform do I use with Infusionsoft, without Infusionsoft, here's another back alley to jump into. And this one goes on for a little while. You're stuck in a place like this. And let me tell you, that's not a really efficient way to run your business. It's definitely not a good way to come up and know, hey, whatever online course I'm building is going to be a huge success because it's the first time you've ever done it. So what you really need is help from a group that's done it over and over again. My team and I, we build 3 to 4 membership sites a month. So our hands are in there every single day. We're in there in the details. We understand what works, we've seen what's failed, and we can share that with you. So, you might think it's a little less expensive, more efficient to do it on your own, but I beg to differ. Hey, look, there's a fire extinguisher because you got to make sure you have security, you have backups, things that are going to keep your system working, and a lot of novices forget about those things. So, visit my website, learn more about us, try to understand what it is we do. Feel free to call me, set up a time, and I'd be glad to kind of go over the details, no obligation. And if we're a good fit for you, let's get together and do something.